So after Maverick came and helped me, he just used the saw for a couple minutes just to try it out. So after he got that done, I started down at the house with Grandma and Grandpa, and now I'm going to remove the back part of the stringers and start cutting out the transom. So let's get to that. All right, so I got the stringers out for the first 3 feet. My plan is to cut a perimeter line all the way around the transom, top, bottom, sides, and holes, just so I can adhere to the bottom of the hole. Some people like to do is they leave a little strip so they can grind it down and lay the glass into the fiberglass that's already existing. I don't really need to do that because it's not the exterior of the boat. Some people like to do that because it doesn't let them have to wrap glass all the way around the sides of the boat, the hole. I can just wrap it to the inside, and then that's going to be covered up with stringers. That's how this boat was made. That's kind of how I like to do it. It's going to make it a little bit easier to replace the transom and get all the wood out and clean it down. So that way it's going to make sure, I know for sure it's going to adhere to good glass, and I'm not going to have to worry about, did I get that one spot in the corner of the transom that I didn't really have an easy way of getting to it. So that's the way I'm going to do it. But right now I'm just going to cut it all out, remove the rotten wood, the glass, and get down to the gel coat, the fiberglass on the other side on the exterior of the boat. So that's the plan. 1, 2, 3. so I got the perimeter of the transom cut out for the fiberglass. I'm gonna remove the fiberglass, take that out, and see what the best option is to remove this transom. The transom's 2¼ to 2½ inches, depending on where you see it, because they glassed in a lot of areas, and it adds up to quite a bit. So it took a little bit longer using an oscillating tool, but I use oscillating tool so I can get so close to like what I need to get down to, because I could use a skill saw, but then I have 4 inches I'm gonna have to cut off anyway. So it takes a little bit longer to do it, but I feel like in the long run it's actually gonna be more time effective, because you're not having to go in there, you're not having to grind, you're not having to do all that extra work at the end when you're ready to get down to that part, because you got 17, 18 feet worth of stringers all the way up 4 times. You don't want to keep grinding away. I'd rather just get it down in one shot. It might take a little bit longer, but you're taking a step out of it, and that's going to be more time effective. So, but I'm going to work on getting this fiberglass off this transom, and then we can get down to the transom wood. So. transom looks pretty good. There's definitely some cleanup left to do, some grinding, that type of stuff. But I'm gonna leave that for the next video. So for the next video, I'm gonna be prepping the transom to go back together with the Crucible board. So I got a couple of tools to try out for the next coming up video. So I look forward to that, and I also look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.